Hey everyone, this is the Galaxy Splash shorts by Judy Blue. These might be my favorites so far. They are so comfy and there's so much detail going on in them. Number one is this like bleach splatter that's all kind of like a galaxy, which is how it's got its name, but on this really dark denim, so it really stands out. It is cuffed as well, so you can kind of see the way they've done it is they've hemmed it like normal there, and then they've kind of ironed the cuff differently, so you kind of get that split color along the seam as well, which is like a really fun detail on that one. Let's remove that arrow, we don't need that. And in terms of the fit, it's the same fit as all the Judy Blue we've done before this year in the shorts. So you can kind of see along the hemline, there's extra room in the fit. It's not tight or fitted anywhere. It's a nice longer length as well. The inseam and rise information is in the description for both regular and plus, as well as the full length on the side. It is a high waist on this one, but it is super stretchy and really easy to pull down into a mid-rise if you do want it a little bit lower. And the stretch in the legs is crazy. So these come in small, medium, large, XL, 1X, 2X, and 3X. So for sizing for these, I recommend similar to for your skinny fit in Judy Blue. Small would be 0 through 6 in those sizes, medium 6 through 10, large 10 through 13, XL 13 and 15. Then the 1X is going to be your 14 and 16W, 2X is your 18 and 20W, and 3X is your 20 and 22W. Super stretchy and comfy. These are possibly my favorite yet, again, with all the different bleach splatter all the way around, super stretchy and comfy. And then again, that little cuffed ironed detail on the bottom of the hemline. Any other questions on these ones, feel free to send me a message and I will help you out.